Okema Davis up against Senabulya. Okema. And that's a good penalty from Okema Davis. Kampala regain the lead.
Who is out of the picture?
Well, he has taken quite some distance. The referee warns him about time. I think he wants to go for power. He needs to score this one, or else YMCA are going to exit. And there he comes. Ah, that's good penalty. Well, it was worth the time.
Would be the one. Onea.
Oh, he misses. And YMCA are through to the final for the very first time. Well, wait. Did I get my math wrong? Yes, I did. Apologies. We still have one shootout to take. But that looked like it was it to send YMCA through. Can he do it? And that is Makubuya is a hero as he sends YMCA to their maiden final appearance of the Pepsi University Football League. What a day, what a game. First time in the quarterfinals, first time in the semi-finals, and first time in the final. The Bwamba boys are heading to the final. Turn leg in the penalty shootout. They were clinical. Senabulya serving 2 penalties, and in the end, it had to be Trevor Makubuya to convert the winning penalty that sends YMCA into their maiden final, where they will play either Mutesa One Royal University or St. Lawrence University.